Spezza. Feeding it across. Kovalev settles it down. Back in front, they score. Fisher on a tic-tac-toe passing play. Scores his 4th power play goal of the season, and Ottawa leads 2-1.
That initial pass by Spezza, that's what I was talking about, Rick, on the power play. Watch this long pass, the saucer pass, and it's right on the tape. Look at that, flips over the stick, right on the tape then the backdoor play to Fisher. But boy, oh boy, what a pass by Spezza to set up that play.
Guys, special teams are so important. And you realize that now. Tampa's had a bunch of power plays that aren't able to score. Ottawa gets an opportunity on the power play and makes good on it. The special teams are so important within the game.
Now Fisher, who didn't